Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for if I'm Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself, I telling no what going for not to go on the semi. So, yeah, Vendetta fans, it's not a good look, you know. You see, I say, them just postpone the Alkaline upcoming show this weekend that's supposed to keep in our Florida. Pan the arena floor, you see my walk up and yeah, and the reason that they're giving is not good, you know, because them say I want that in the promoter family. In fact, the promoter cancelled the next Reggae Fest show she have with like Mavado and a whole bunch of other people. Yeah, she canceled that as well because the people them is saying low ticket sales, but she's saying it's a death in the family. You see what I'm saying? If you know anything about business, these type of, you know, how should I say, unpredictable events is a good excuse to, you know, get out of the contract and them thing. They come be telling her already, man, the lady is trying to make a name for herself. So this is why she said everything them do sell out. And we know say Alkaline never sell out the Barclays Center. You see what I say? But nevertheless, this is what she had to say about the whole situation. And you can press pause and read the screen. But them say because of bereavement or whatever the word is, you see me. You know what I mean? And I have an issue with that because Alkaline them they go around like say at them I book out the arena and just keep a show we want promoter. Because if the promoter can't make it, why the show can't go on? You feel me? Alkaline supposed to have team that can run the show. You know what I mean? So this is how you know say the thing with Alkaline is just a facade. You see me, I say he's not an arena seller, I'm not an arena booker. And I'm nothing in the arena, you see me, I say, and I'm going to try size up with Vybz Kartel. You know what I mean? This is why I made to tell my sender who sent this in a couple of days ago, say, you know, the brought the people, them, I struggle to sell the tickets. You see me, I say, and then I boom on my screen and I say, postponement and all of this good stuff. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's not a good look because just yesterday, one day ago, Kerry Berry did promote the show. Like say the things was running smooth ship and all of this stuff. So that's why the people don't want back them refund. You see my answer because I know them a come with something, but them things that them could have managed all of these shows and them feel say them can't manage no more. You see man, they coming with postpone. You know what I mean? Not cancel, postpone. You see me? So that's why the people say, yo, I'm not in the next day thing. This is a big inconvenience. You see me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, we're not going long with this no long, you know. I'm just to give them quick update what going for to go on. You see me? Because, you know, a lot of vendetta people follow the king. You see it? Anyway, don't forget to check out these next suggested videos in the on the screen in the meantime. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. You see me? And turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.